No way. No way. And I'm right here to catch too. My rear steer put me down over here.
Take the radio out of your hand, Eric.
Yeah. I got no hanger. No,
while you're there, you should just take the radio out of your hand and just...
This is freaking treacherous. Are we still alive?
How's my front look?
Yeah. You're good. Just keep it cut this way, dude.
There it is.
It's fine.
There it is. Whoop, there it is.
So heavy, man.
I love that spot, dude. That's so fucking awesome.
It's so realistic.
Like, could you imagine being the passenger in that truck? Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Did you bring that clean pair of drawers for me? I hope I brought my clean underwear.
You're even sitting on your wheels down there, Eric.
Yeah, I see it.
That's perfect.
Ooh, you're wide.
Yeah,
You
gotta go
dude,
really.
Dude, I'm telling you, my Wraith is probably as wide as that.
Yeah, that's true.
And it made it through it.
Just keep that
Gotta hug
front
that
end.
wall. Make those tires work.
Hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it, hug it.
You're
I
doing
got
good.
it, I got it.
Awesome.
Yes, sir. Awesome possum.
Who said
Nice.
Who said you
You're
can't
the
get
only other person I ever heard say that.
Awesome possum?
Awesome possum.
Who said you can't get a Yeti to rock crawl?
I've been known to shift some of mine.
That's pretty cool. Very slow.
It just wants to roll over and lay there for a second.
Yeah, right. Take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap right here.
I figure I'd use today as a learning thing. Gotta figure out where my top heavy is, my side heaviness is.
Yeah.
I mean, and then finally actually really glue it, because all I got is the super glue to pop right off.
Yeah.
There's some stronger glue out there, but I'm just not ready for it yet.
Yeah, there's some epoxies that we
Glitch?
use
No?
for mirrors.
Okay.
I don't know.
And it's just glue holding mirrors, stuff on mirrors. And we're sending stuff into space that's got to go through launch.
Hard right, or hard left, hard left.
Shaking.
And it holds.
Okay.
That's what I need
Come on through.
to finally get onto, because
I don't know, it's just like kind of
once
It's
it's
heavy.
focus on that one right there.
Either one, I got them both in the shot. Probably that one's better.
Of course, it didn't take long, right?
Nice. Nice.
Okay, I'll come back down it.
Come on, I don't care. If we all go up, okay. Turn around, come back. There it is, right there. love the four-wheel steer. Nice. Nice. Right over here, buddy.
No mushy links.
Come around over here. Over here, over here. You're on video. Up to here somewhere. Anywhere you want. Good job. You can come back down too. Don't hit the camera. Anywhere through here. We were going through there or that next little step rock. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Nice. All right. I shut mine off.
What's that?
I shut mine off. I ruined this video. I'm walking around and stuff. Nice.
Are you crabbing it?
Nah.
Nice. Hug that hill. You know, buddy, just let out the worst rumble ever.
What?
My belly just said, "Whoa." I went to the right. You can do what you want though. There's a cool little like cage you can film if you want. They come straight up the side of this.
Oh, I see a spot right there.
It's a climber. Really good, Eric.
Thanks. We going that way?
If you want, if you want to go straight up the hill, go ahead. There's a cool little area right there. Especially for 1 night.
You see something I want to try?
There's 4 different ways on that one hill.
You get to see that. Cool.
You want to try it again? Go ahead. Run it again.
I have to say, when you don't do it right.
There we go. There. Now power through that. See you later, guys.
Let's go try the hard way.
Good trail day, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Get it, Noah, get it. Yeah. That's Noah's hill right there. Woo! Get it, Noah.
He came back for second.
There you go, good job. Yeah, there's a camera there.
I didn't know the camera was there.
Just walk around this.
Nope,
Or no,
it's
you
got a
can't.
big S-bomb.
Don't worry about it.
now.
Just walk in front of it. Doesn't matter.
Chucky darn.
Walk around towards Albert. There you go. Are you broken?
Battery.
I got another one.
Are you running Dean's plug?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna get heading soon.
Alright, well I got a 3-cell with Dean plug if you need it.
That's a no. He's got a 3-cell
Yeah.
with
It's getting to be about that time.
Dean. Alright.
Just down here someplace.
Noah, whoa, chill out, chopsticks. Holy.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
It's recording it.
Nice.
Power wagon time.
Get off of this truck.
Power wagon time.
You make it. Dodge living up to its name.
Gotta be on your knee.
So there must be a lot of bees up there.
You're higher.
This one kid wants to stand out for rest. There it is. There it is. Power wagon.
One more try. Come on. That looks good in slow motion.
There you go. There you go. Keep following that line you got. Keep that tire straight. Sink right into that. Nice.
There it is.